Hello students, today we are going to complete the exercises of poem 4th, If I Knew. This poem is from your LR book. Comprehension A. Answer the questions briefly. First question, why does the poet want a box of smiles? Answer, the poet wants a box of smiles because she wishes to open the box and scatter the smiles all around in order to play. In this way, the children's faces will be able to hold the smiles for many days. Second question, what does she want to do with all the fronds? Answer, she wants to fold and hold all the fronds in a large box and lock it with a monster key. Who does the poet want to hire and why? The poet wants to hire a giant to drop the box of fronds to the depth of the deep sea. B. Think and answer the questions. The poet had a wish to do something for all children. What do you think that wish was? Answer. The poet's wish was to spread smile and positive energy among the children. C. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. So, first line from poem, it would open, I know, for me. Question A. What is the poet trying to open? Answer. The poet is trying to open the box where smiles are kept. B. Why is she trying to open it? Answer. She is trying to open it in order to scatter the smiles for the children to play. C. What makes her so sure that it will open for her? Answer. The poet is determined to try very hard to open the box, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt is. So, her determination to work hard makes the poet sure that the box will open for her. Second line from the poem, I would like to gather them everyone from nursery, school and street. Then folding and holding, I would pack them in. First, A question. What does the poet want to gather? Answer. The poet wants to gather all the fronds she meets. B. From where does she want to gather it? Answer. She wants to gather it from nursery, school and street. C. What does she want to do after gathering them? Answer. She wants to fold and hold all the fronds in a large box and lock it with a monster key. She then wants to hire a giant to drop the box to the depth of the deep sea.